everyone. Hope you all are doing good. I'm back again with a new story. I think you guys must be waiting for the story now. So, our today's story is about an animal. You all must like the animals. You have seen the different animals. So, our story is about an animal. You all have to do the same thing. You have to share with me what you have learned from today's story. So, without wasting our time, let's start our story. The story is about an animal, and that is an elephant. And you know what's his name? His name is Gopu. Hi Gopu, how are you? So what happened that Gopu was wandering in the jungle. So when he was wandering in the jungle, he saw that the different animals are playing with each other, but he was alone. So he had a thought that why I am alone? I am such a huge animal. I should also have a friend. I should also have a friend so that I can share my food, my ideas, my feelings with him or her, and no one will say no to me to be my friend. So he decided that today I will make at least one friend. So when he was walking in the jungle, what happened? He saw a horse. He met with a horse. So when he met with a horse, he had a conversation with horse. Hi horse, how are you? Horse said, hi Gopu, I'm fine, how are you? I'm also good. What's your name? My name is Hero. Okay, hi Hero, will you be my friend? So Hero thought for a minute and then he said, see Gopu, I run so fast and you are such a huge animal that you can't run like me. So sorry to say we cannot be friends. Gopu become sad and he said, okay, it's okay. So further. He went further. Then in his way he met with a camel, and you know what's his name? Its name is Millie. So he met with the camel and he said hi to camel. Hi camel, how are you? Hi an elephant, I'm fine. You tell. Actually, my name is Gopu, and what's your name? My name is Millie. Okay, Millie, will you be my friend? I'm alone. I have no friend in this jungle, and I want to have a friend. So camel also thought for a minute. Then what he replied? It replied, see Gopu, I'm the sheep of the desert. I have so much long eyelashes. I have a hump on my back, and you have no hump, and you are such a huge animal. You have trunks. So sorry to say we cannot be friend. We have so many different qualities. So we cannot be friend. So then Gopu become again sad that he asked camel also, and it's also denying to be his friend. So he went again, and then when while walking further he saw a giraffe. So when he saw the giraffe, he went to near to him and he said, hi giraffe, how are you? Giraffe said, I'm good. You tell, how are you? I'm also fine. My name is Gopu. And what's your name? Giraffe said, my name is Ginny. So elephant said, hi Ginny, will you be my friend? So giraffe looked down and he said, see, I have such a long neck. I have such a tall neck, but you are not having such a tall neck. My ears are short, your ears are so long, you have a trunk, and sorry to say we cannot be friends, because if we will become friends, you cannot eat the leaves like I do from the tall trees. So we can't be friends. Elephant again becomes sad that why everyone is denying to me. I'm such a huge animal. I can help them in different manners, but still these guys are denying to me. Then he said, never mind, let's move further. Maybe another animal will become my friend. Then he went to near to a hippopotamus. So when he went near to hippo, it was taking bath in the pond, and then he went to the hippo. Elephant said, hi hippo, how are you? Hippo said, I'm good, you tell, how are you? Elephant said, my name is Gopu, what's your name? Hippo said, my name is Hippo, what do you want from me? So elephant said, actually I'm moving alone, I'm wandering alone here and there in this jungle, and I'm searching for a friend. So will you become my friend? Hippo said, look at him, and he said, no, I can't be your friend. How can I be your friend? You are having such a long trunk and such long ears, and you're such a huge animal. How I can be your friend? We have different opinions in our life. We will have different ideas. We have different views about anything. I like different things and you like different things. I like to live in the water in the pond and you will not like it, so we cannot be friends. So again he became sad that no one want to be my friend. What should I do? So what happened, he was so sad and he was just going. So what happened, that in the morning he saw the different animals were running in a different direction. So elephant go there and elephant asked from them, hello guys, why are you running so fast and what happened, why are you running so fast and going here and there? So camel he stopped the horse and he asked, hey horse, what happened? Hey hero, what happened, why are you running so fast? He said, don't you know that the lion is out of his cave today and he came out for the dinner, for his food, so he will kill us if we will not run. So you also run fast, run fast. So elephant used his mind and what he said, just a minute you guys, just chill, it will not happen, no one will be killed by the lion, let me handle the lion by myself. Others said, hey elephant, hey Gopu, are you mad? He will kill you, he will kill you, he will no he will make you his food today. So Gopu said, no guys, just wait and watch what I am going to do. So he went near to the lion. You know the lion is the king of jungle. So he went to the lion. Hello king, how are you? So the lion said, I'm fine. You tell what you want from me. You came in front of me. Do you want to become my food today? Elephants, no. Actually, I came to save your life. So lion said, what are you saying? Are you joking with me? How can you save my life? You have to save your life from me. Today I am going to have you as my food. Actually, what happened, king, when I was wandering in the jungle, two I was wandering in the jungle. I saw two hunters are here and they were planning that they will kill you today. So I just want to make you aware about this so that you can go inside your den and save yourself. You must be kidding with me. You must be kidding with me, na? So that I will not kill you. No, king. How can I kid with you? You are the king of the jungle. I must be scared from you. But still I want to save your life. That's why I came in front of you just to tell you, please save your life. Otherwise, what will happen to our jungle if they will kill you and they will take you to the zoo? So king thought for a while. Are you serious? Yeah, king, 100%. I'm 100% serious. So king went, okay, I should save my life first before killing others. I'm going to the den and don't tell anyone that I'm inside my den. Okay, king, I will not tell anyone. So lion went from there and went inside his den. He trusts the Gopu and he trusts the elephant that he must be saying true. So when he came to the other animals, he said, chill guys, the king is not here now. He went to his den to get relaxed. So other animals asked, how Gopu, how did you did this? So Gopu said, nothing, just I used my mind and then I told him that two hunters are there to kill you. So he become scared and then he went to his den. So other animals said, wow Gopu, you are genius, you saved us, will you be my friend, will you be my friend? Other animals start saying to this to Gopu and he has so many friends on that day. So according to me, so what you have learned from the story, firstly you guys have to tell me. Let me share my idea with you. What I learned from the story, actually people are having different qualities. We have different looks, different shape, different size. Some must be some type of healthy person, some must be thin, another must be a fair, another must be having dark complex, someone have long hair, some have short hairs. But we should not look on the outer part of any person. We should look the qualities of that person, that the qualities that have, that might help us to lead our life, to live our life in a better way. We should have friends of different shapes, different sizes, because that will help us in any manner in our life. So we should not go with the outer looks of that person, like the different animals were saying to the Gopu that you are such a huge animal, you are not like me. It's not necessary that your friend is also like you. What matters to you is what the internal qualities he or she is having, so that by joining all these qualities we should accept our friend not only with the positive things but also his negative things we should also accept, so that we can use his positive qualities to lead our life, and we can help him or her to overcome his negative qualities. So that's all for our today's session. See you soon in our next session. Till then, stay home, stay safe.